Attention sellers, I have 5 tips how to get your house sold for top dollar. Tip numero uno, you have to declutter. Absolutely, you wanna make sure that people walk into your house and see the space and not the beautiful pictures on the walls. Tip numero dos, daylight bulbs, guys. You wanna make sure it's super bright in the house. Open up the blinds and make sure you see all that natural beauty. Tip numero tres, essential oils. Just like food goes through the nose, so does the house. You wanna make sure it smells amazing in there, whether you do essential oils or fresh cookies. Tip numero cuatro, neutral paint colors. You may have a lot of different colors throughout the house, but that's not going to be what your buyer wants to see. So try a fresh coat of paint. Tip numero cinco, you only have one time to make a great impression. So professional pictures, some great marketing, and videographer is your #1 tip to make sure your home gets sold for top dollar. I have many more tips to share with you, but you have to hire me as your agent. Here's my information. Hope to hear from you.